welcome to another episode of Student Meals. Today we're going to make beer pancakes, also known as mancakes. These pancakes are perfect for people who are lactose intolerant or just want to try something new. We hope you enjoy this episode. So the ingredients are 140 grams of self-rising flour, 100 grams of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, some cinnamon, 1 package of vanilla sugar, 1 egg, and finally a can of beer. This is a can of 33 centiliters. I'm not gonna use all of it, but just make sure you have an entire can so you definitely have enough. Let's do this. So we're going to start off by mixing all of the dry ingredients. Let's add the flour to a bowl. Also, we're going to add the sugar, the salt, vanilla sugar, and finally just a pinch of cinnamon. Now let's mix this up. I love the smell of cinnamon, so good. There we go. Next, we're going to mix all of the wet ingredients. I'm going to add 250 milliliters of beer to my bowl. Also add the oil and finally the egg. And now, of course, let's mix this up. And the next step is to gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Start off with a bit and mix it up. Make sure you whisk it until there are no lumps left. Okay, that looks about right. Take a frying pan and put it on a medium-low fire. Cover the surface of your pan with some olive oil and now let it get hot. Alright, so when the pan is hot, we're going to take a small ladle of the mixture and gently pour it in the middle. Now just let it fry until you see little bubbles appear on the top surface. Then it's time to flip it. With this batter you can choose the size of your pancakes. It is quite runny, so you can also make like the big normal sized ones. I like a little small pancakes, so that's what we're going to make. Making pancakes, making pancakes. Alright, now it's time to flip. Yes.
Burn.
No, it's not. The first one always fails. That's the
pancake rule.
Yeah.
Pancake rules number 1.
Alrighty, once it's done, scoop it out, place it on a plate, and continue the process with the rest of the mixture. And there we go, our stack of beer mancakes are done. I can't wait to eat them. Time for a test. Oh, how I love pancakes. Cheers. Oh my god, so good. Let me have another bite. I personally don't really enjoy a good beer once in a while. I just don't really like the taste. But this tastes so good. I think there might be like a little bit of beer somewhere in there in my back taste palette or something like that. But it's really good. I also taste the cinnamon very well. It's not overwhelming, but it's there. So it's just delicious. When you don't have any milk in your fridge, but you do have beer, definitely go for these. So thank you guys for watching this episode. We hope you enjoyed it. And as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!